Let us explain the chapter application of differential equation. Differential equation already I have done before. This is the chapter that is application of differential equation. Let me explain some example question here. Obtain the equation of the curve whose slope at any point is equal to the y plus 2x. Slope means dy by dx and which passes through the point that is origin 0, 0. The differential equation of the curve will be dy dx means slope is equal to y plus 2x. Therefore, dy dx minus y equal to 2x. This is nothing but a linear differential equation. This is the form of linear differential equation. Now, integrating factor will be e to the power here minus integration dx, that will be e to the power minus x. The solution of the curve will be y into integrating factor, that is e to the power minus x, into integration sign q, that is 2x into integrating factor 2 e to the power minus x dx. You have to apply here integration by parts, taking 2 outside. Applying the by parts formula, you are getting the solution y plus 2x plus 2 is equal to c into e to the power x, which is the equation of the curve. Now, since the curve passes through the point that is 0, 0 origin, putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, we will get the value of c, getting 2. Now, final answer will be y plus 2x plus 2 equal to 2 into e to the power 2x. This is the required equation of the curve. Let us go next number. See the second question. The line normal to a given curve at any point xy on the curve passes through the point 3, 0. If the curve contains the point 3, 4, find its equation. So first of all, the equation of normal to the curve at a point x, y is y minus y into dy dx plus x minus x equal to 0. This is the equation of normal to a curve at any point x, y. Okay, now solve. Since it passes through the point 3, 0, putting x equal to 3 and y equal to 0, we are getting y dy dx equal to 3 minus x. Just separating the variable y dy equal to 3 minus dx, integrating both sides, we are getting y x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2c equal to 0, which is the equation of the curve. But this curve passing through the point 3, 4. Now put x equal to 3, y equal to 4 in this equation, we will get the value of c, that is 7 by 2. Now replace c by 7 by 2, we will get final result will be x square plus y square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the curve. This is one of the application of the differential equation. Next question you see, a spherical raindrop evaporates at a rate proportional to its surface area. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. If the originally its radius is 3 millimeter and 1 hour later it reduces to millimeter. Initially 3 millimeter, after 1 hour it reduces to 2 millimeter. Find an expression for the radius of the raindrop at any time. Let capital R be the radius of the raindrop at time t. Then dr by dt equal to how much? K into 4 pi r square as per the question. Integrating both sides, dr by r square equal to 4 pi k dt. Taking variable separation, we are getting 1 by r 4 pi kt plus c. When t equal to 0, r equal to how much? 3. That is given here, 3 millimeter initially, originally. Putting these values in 1, we get c is equal to 1 by 3. And when t equal to 1, r equal to 2, it is given after 2 millimeter, it reduces after 1 hour. Now putting these values, we will get k equal to 1 by 24 k pi. Now 1 by r equal to how much? 6 1. Therefore finally we are getting r into t plus 2 equal to c, which is the required expression. Okay. Last question to dive into. A population grows at the rate of 5% per year. How long does it take for the population to double? The final population will be doubled. Okay, just see. Let the population be p initially at any time t. Then dp by dt is equal to 5% of p as per the question. Rate of increase, dp by dt equal to 5% of p. The dp by dt is equal to p by 20, 5%, 5 by 100, t by 20. Now dp by p is equal to 1 by 20 dt, integrating both sides, log p is equal to t by 20 plus c. Let the population be p0 at t0 initially. Putting p equal to p0 and t equal to 0, we will get c equal to log p0, initial population. Therefore, log p is equal to t by 20 plus log p0. Let p is equal to final population will be twice 2p0 at time t equal to t1. Then replacing p equal to 2p0, we will getting log 2p0 equal to t by t1 by 20 plus log p0. As per the formula logarithm properties, log 2 plus log p0 plus t by 20 plus log p0. Log p0 cancel out. The log 2 is equal to t by 20. Therefore, t1 will be how much? 20 into log 2, which is the required time. t1 is equal to 20 into log 2. In this question also completed. I have completed 4 questions from the chapter application of differential equation. Thank you for today's class. Next I will explain more sums.